welcome back to my channel. This is Nelson, and if you're new here, hi, welcome. Today is a very exciting video because it is one of the few Halloween videos that I will be posting up. I think this is like my very first Halloween makeup look that I've ever done on my channel, so I hope that you guys enjoy it. And yes, a disclaimer, you guys, I know I'm not good with like these type of makeup in general, like, you know, special effects and stuff, but I had a lot of fun doing this look. And this is basically a pumpkin. It's like a cracked pumpkin, and it has this is more like the beautiful beauty side, and then this is like the pumpkin side. So yeah, hope that you guys like this video. It is, you know, a challenge for me because, like I said, my specialty isn't like you know, Halloween makeup or anything like that, but I just enjoy challenging myself and having fun, so that's why I decided to do this look for you guys. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And yeah, if you guys would like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching.